Hi guys. Not good morning. Kasi 12 na po. And kakarating ko lang galing sa work. Ngayon sasamahan ko ang aking asawa pupunta sa mag-pick up kami sa aming Junakis. Si Gabriel. Samahan ko siya guys para hindi naman magtampo ang ating asawa. Kasi gusto niya samahan ko daw siya. Alam mo na, hindi siya mabubuhay nang wala ako. Gusto niya samahan ko siya. So, okay, bakit naman hindi? Hindi naman ako pagod ngayon. Thank you, Lord. Kaya, samahan natin siya. Lagay lang muna natin yung ano. I actually need to order a headphone at the... Ayan po siya guys, nasa loob na siya. Amazon? Who charged you?
For TV.
Again?
I don't know, that Paramount or something.
Aray ko, hot.
It was actually something I thought I like canceled the prescription, and then like it's been like a year.
Oh,
Why didn't this thing?
what happened? Here, let me see.
I can't see it.
Let me see. Ang init, guys. Ang init. Because... Ayan, here we go. Anyway.
Dark.
Tara na, guys. Samahan natin siya. Let's go with him. So he don't feel like, bored. Charot.
Feel like annoyed.
Yeah, he likes me to go with him so we fight.
That way we can talk.
Oh, really? Kailangan namin pag-usapan yung mga bagay-bagay.
Talk about craziness.
We need to talk about what? About our love life. To my mints. Drop all my mints. Is that clean, baby?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I won't kill you.
Ba yan yung kuko ko? Dumi na. It's time to clean my nails.
I won't kill you, right?
I hope not. We are here waiting for Gabriel, guys. Meron lang kami. We have 1 hour. 1 hour of waiting. Guys, gihulog po
but
niya yung
everybody
mga...
shows up like so early.
Gihulog po niya yung mga mints ko, no? Kaya ngayon...
Right here, I need
nilinis
your
po
hand.
niya.
Your hand right here.
No, babe. I don't want that. I don't want that. That's...
I do.
No, that's dirty.
Yeah, you dirty.
I don't want it. I have to... Waiting na lang kami dito, guys. And then, relax
Look,
muna kami.
there's 3 right there. Get them.
Later. Done. Ako ngayon ay passenger princess. So, my driver. Ito yung ating driver, guys. Kita natin siya sa inyo. Meron na po akong bagong na-hire na driver. At least, he's the driver in the morning. He's also a driver at night. Ayan. Ayan po siya. Pag-hi. Wala siya pakialam sa mundo. Ayan, oh.
This guy's going through the same thing.
What do you mean? Huh? What you talking about, Willis? I bet Gabriel will be surprised, guys. Ang driver kong sweet labe. Passenger na sobrang harot. Sir? 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 Sir?
What?
Are you okay, sir?
No, I told you.
Why? Panununo pa. Ay, naku, guys. Wait, nandito ako sa likod kasi ang init doon sa harapan. Sunog ang ating wow legs. Lumipat ako dito sa likod, guys. Ma-surprise yan si Gabriel mamaya. Oh, Mommy! You're here! Kasi minsan na lang ako sumasama, guys. Dahil, alam mo na, gusto ko magpahinga. Kapagod kasi magantay, 1 hour talaga ang waiting. But anyway, all good naman. So, guys, it's time. Oh, careful, honey. Ayun na si Gabriel, guys. Ihatid na siya ng teacher dito sa loob.
Don't go till the car completely stops.
Hello! Thank you!
Sitting in the back.
Hi! Seatbelt!
Sitting in the back.
Come on. I'm here with you.
Surprise!
Are you surprised? Ha? Alright.
You can only surprise me if you can only surprise me if you
Seatbelt now, please.
if you give me something good like a treat.
Ah! You're silly. How's your day?
Good.
You have a great day?
Yeah.
Alright.
Today almost someone just got it to go to the principal and talk about what happened and then go home and talk to their mom what happened.
Oh.
Do you remember that happened to me?
Why? What happened?
Because he was always saying no every single day, like no, and
Oh.
and then he like and then he did not sit in his chair.
Mm.
Who is it?
He's being
Liam.
up. It's being bad, huh?
Liam?
Liam.
Liam?
Yeah.
Well, let the teacher deal with it. But you have a great day, though?
Yeah.
Did you eat all your lunch?
Well, not really.
Okay, I can give it to you.
Daddy,
Ah,
today
So-
we switched jobs, so now I'm not a junior proctor.
alright.
That's okay. Ang daming pila, guys. Tingnan nyo, hindi pa sila tapos dyan sa ano.
Well, they gotta switch sometimes.
That's why it's
so-
always
Junior
good na
proctor
early
is
talaga
hard.
kaming pumunta.
But you have to switch so other people.
Hello. Luto tayo ng dinner. Chicken breast. Wanna be just a foolish game we play. You can't stop. May paano-paano pa to eh. Patap-tap pa eh. Patap-tap. Chuk-chuk. Diba? Wala kasi akong ano eh. So, ito na lang siguro. Ang puwet nito. Gasan ko muna. Ito. Thank you, Gabriel. Para maglambot siya ba? Yun o. May vlogger kasi ako nakita na ginaganyan niyo yung meat. Ha? Bago niya lutuin. Ito lang yung seasoning na ating gagamitin. We have nor, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, pampakulay, and salt. Tap-tap lang natin siya, guys. Just a foolish game. Actually, I did take a nap after namin na-pick up si Gabriel. A little bit lang, 1 hour lang para hindi masyadong matagal ang ating nap. At makatulog pa tayo ng maganda mamayang gabi. So, let's put some ano na. So, magluto muna ako ng hapunan para goods. So, ganyan na siya. Open natin saglit yung aking. Yeah, go ahead. Make sure that's not Dad's. Open natin saglit yung dumating na package. Ito yung some of my product, guys. Finally came. Ito siya. Open natin saglit. Double check lang natin, ha.
Yung mga products pa natin, guys. Diyos ko. Nakita tayo dito konti. Alam mo na.
Yogurt. See, Mom's making dinner right now and you're eating junk.
Maybe she's hungry.
She likes those yogurts. That's all she eats is that sugar.
Sorry.
How's your day?
Horrible.
Oh, why?
We did this game called Scooter Ball in PE, and we sat on these rackety looking scooters, and we had to sit on them, and we had to.
What the heck is that?
Finally done cooking dinner, guys. Naayos ko na rin yung mga orders ko. Now making dino nuggets for Gabriel. Tapos bigyan natin siya ng konting rice. When you wanna be. Nitin na natin. And just a function. Hindi pala namin mahatid ngayon si Kuya sa gym kasi meron daw kailangan na, ano ba yun? Black pass ba yung pinasasabi niya? Black pass na bago siya makapasok doon. Hindi ko naman alam, guys. Kaya nga, naiinis talaga ako ngayon at saka disappointed ba kasi nga, hindi man lang sila nag-advance na sabi sa akin kasi ako yung nagbabayad. Talagang walang update. I don't know. Kasi chine-check ko yung email ko. Wala talaga, guys. Kaya, ngayon, so 1 month talaga siyang hindi makakapunta sa gym. So, hopefully, hindi siya tatamarin, no? Kasi mapuputol yung routine niya. But anyway, kainin muna natin si Gabriel ng dinner, guys, and then, mag-serve na ako ng dinner naman sa iba. Nahin natin si Gabriel while maaga pa. The feeling's too strong.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, good evening. Time check, 7 PM na po dito sa California. Maghanap tayo ng kasi maglilinis po tayo sa oven natin. Dahil madumi na po siya, mga guys. Kailangan na po siyang linisin. Kung ayaw ko pong mapagalitan ng aking jowa. Alam mo na, guys, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo maglinis.